So we're gonna see if we can alter the sound of this here little Miata with the new exhaust. So a couple of years ago, they picked up this Cobra Sport exhaust for their Miata, and then life happens and they just haven't had time to quite get to putting it on yet. But today we're gonna change all that and see if we can install this for them. This Cobra Sport exhaust, we just kind of laid it out on the floor here to get a look at it. But it's supposed to be all stainless. And this is a center exit system. So you can see all the pipes, tips. It came with one of these tubes of glue. He picked up an extra one just because it's been a couple years. We want to make sure that we had the right stuff for the lower valence panel here. And the lower valence panel came black, but he wanted it color matched to the car. So got that repainted to match the car. So we're gonna lift it up and see what we can get into. All right, so this is the original system. A pretty big muffler and tips, and then it crosses underneath the rear cradle here, goes up all the way. So we'll have to get into the directions here. I'm not sure where we're supposed to cut it. I'm guessing we got to keep an oxygen sensor. It looks like there's that catalytic converter up there, so I'm thinking we don't need both, but we'll get into the directions here and see. But it says to start, we need to remove this X brace, so let's do that. Well, I'm glad we held it up here in test fit because that's the converter. This is just a random heat shield, and it's gonna be 95 millimeters behind that heat shield is where we wanna cut. So, all right, so just like that. So notoriously, fiberglass pieces don't fit great. This one was no exception. We took a grinder, cleaned the backside of the fiberglass. It had some weird bumps and stuff in it to make it fit as flush as possible. And then cleaned everything real good. We put the glue along the edge, and then the two factory screws that go on the bottom here on either side of the pipes went into the factory bracket on the back side of the bumper right there. And we decided to go ahead and add some fasteners because it just felt flimsy. So countersunk some screws in a couple of spots, and Bruce has some more of this paint, so he's gonna go over the screw heads with it, and then leave the tape on there for 24 hours. Hopefully the glue will all set up and things will be golden. But I think we got the pipes nice and centered. Got them sticking out just far enough that you can read the logo, which gives it a real clean look. Now for the best part, I'll set it down and fire it up. Well, that sounds a little better. Nice. Very cool. Comes out of its cold startup cycle there, calms down a little bit. This is just a sharp little car too. It's got a cool tone to it. I like it.